Namaste. On Vidyaparampara today, let us learn how to make a beautiful asana for Lord Ganesha to welcome him into our homes on this Ganesha Chaturthi. Let's begin. We need a thick MDF board, 4 legs for attachment, some brushes, acrylic pens, wood stains, some glue and some craft varnish. First, let's color the board with the wood stains. The color I've used are sap green and indigo blue. Wood stains are the best choice to work on MDF boards, especially these two colors gives a fresh and tender look to the craft we make, and of course they smell great. Now with the staining done, let it dry for about 30 minutes. When it comes to a Puja Manai or Bhagavan's Asana, it should always carry some auspicious insignia, right? So here we are trying to make a beautiful symbol of auspiciousness, the swastika, and try to embellish it more and uplift the look of our asana to give that look of a DIY craft. So with the main swastika done, let's add some embellishments. While the designer Manai is getting ready, you must be wondering why instead of Ganesha, we are making an asana for Ganesha this year. Remember, during festivals, we try to take a silver plate or a stainless steel plate or a big tambalam, clean it with tamarind or lemon, polish it, wash it well, dry it, and then apply haldi kumkum and then carry that big heavy plate to the market to buy the Ganesha and bring him home. And the plate, if it is thin, it might bend, it may not be even strong enough to hold our Ganesha, or it may be too big or too small. So why not for once let us make a permanent, beautiful wooden water resistant Paytm so that it can be used for any festivity for any of our deities, right? Now the beautifully embellished swastika with the lines and the dots with the diyas and the borders are ready. Now it's time to color the artwork. Let's use some mandala dotting tools for the coloring. We've used chrome yellow to represent the haldi color and done the dotting for the swastika and the borders. We've used a very contrast copper sulfate blue for the diyas, that showing of the diyas beautifully, and a bright orange for the flames. We have used small red dots to represent kumkum. Let's remember, we may lose the traditional touch if we work too many colors on the craft. So let's just keep it simple always. Now it's time to attach the legs with some heavy duty glue so that they are permanently fixed, and apply a coat of glossy wood varnish to the undersurface first so that it dries. To the top colored surface, to prevent any color bleed, let us use craft varnish first and allow it to dry. Then on top of that, after complete drying, a layer of glossy varnish can be applied so that we get a final glossy finished product which is water resistant. Dry for more than 24 hours to get this glossy finished Manai that can be used for all our functions. Enjoy making this beautiful DIY craft to welcome Ganesha into our homes this Ganesha Chaturthi. Dhanyavadaha.